Protect the cargo area of your SUV or crossover with a Carhartt Edition custom fit cargo liner by Covercraft. This durable liner is the perfect way to keep your interior and seatbacks looking new before your next campout, beach day, or trip to the home improvement store. Installation of the Carhartt Cargo Liner is simple and straightforward. Attach the seatback pieces to your back seat with the attached hook and loop straps. Secure the cargo liner with the attached ties. The ties are located near your vehicle's factory cargo anchors for easy installation. When done, fold the seatback up into its standard position and you're ready to go. The seatback piece is designed to work with your split rear bench seat if applicable, so you can still access the cargo area from the back seat. The cargo liner completely protects the floor and seatbacks of your cargo area. The cargo liner also includes a handy fold-out bumper protection flap to prevent scratching and scrapes while loading. If you have a larger SUV, like our Chevrolet Suburban, a Carhartt cargo liner also includes an additional seatback protection piece for even larger surface coverage. Clip the seatback piece to the front seat headrest and attach the hook and loop straps across the liner for complete interior protection. The liner is custom fit to your vehicle's application and is constructed of durable duck weave material. It is available in either gray or signature Carhartt brown.